Was good. Hold on. Alright, hold on.
Okay, so this is my last minute entry for Token Cypher. And big fan Token.
And
Token Black bitch.
Yeah, bitch, I'm Black Magician in this bitch, huh? Yeah, I'm Dark Magician in this bitch, hold up. Wait, I'm Dark Magician in this bitch, wait.
alright. So I should have been live 2 hours ago. I just got yeah, I should have been live 2 hours ago, but I didn't. There's nothing I can say. Alright. So let's do this in order. So, favorites here. If I change this UI, I don't know.
I got my 8th the night before. I'm smoking so much green, I'm burning all the fucking ivy sores. I really hate the Weedle, so I stabbed him with a needle. And I told my fucking Sneasel to spit an ice beam at you people. When you run into an antagon, it's your chance to capture it.
Alright, so this loads the favorites, but we don't actually scroll load the favorites, which is the fish.
Every 2 steps a Pokemon pops up, be like, hey, I got swagger. TM87, tell him, hey, I got swagger. TM87, I'm harder than the milk tank of Whitney. You can use pursuit, but you will never get me. Catch you slipping, hit you with that water like Misty. Shofu too cold, now you gotta flare blitz me. I threw a rocket Brock, electrocuted Misty. Lieutenant Surge was easy and Erica tried to kiss me. Smoking Cali Kush with Koga and Sabrina was a bitch. Plane needed to cool down. Giovanni sleeps with fish. Got that Pelipper swag, yeah, we pelican fly.
Well, I guess we could say get. We already have. Yeah, we don't. Alright, hold on. Let me just delete this whole thing. Because we could do get favorites. Surprised we don't already have. And then we're gonna need this here, pretty much.
I can feel your jealousy for the poison I'm spitting. There's no antidote or remedy. I'm from Palatine, you are from the barrio, and when I see some pussy, I beat it up like Lucario. Pokemon is my world. Straight to Poke Girls, man. Pokemon, the best game ever made.
So this div change that. So everything above this. And then below this, I think.
It's Archer, man, and we about to step into Viridian Forest. There's all kind of bug types out here. I'm too fly for this. Might be super effective.
Where's the? Hold on.
I got him. We flipping mad bug types, bug bite, bringing back the pain. We don't fuck around. You're intimidated, masquerading. You're seriously bugging out. You really think you playing him? Nah,
Oh wait, no, I was right. So select all from song table. So
My horns mega, your shit's weedle. I told y'all you ain't on the shit I'm on. You looking mad feminine, Vivillon. Better find an enormous 45 fortress when you see the pin missiles drawn. Sweet coon 6 with the scariest flow. How many times I done
like this. And then what we need to do here then, I don't know if I need.
when it comes to rap, spitting smooth as silk, enough material to spin a rack of fly shit. Y'all can rock, bitch. When I set it off,
So then what we need to do here, we need to take this out. And then say span ID equals load favorites. And then what we do here, we take this, we're gonna load this in here. Take this out, take this function out here. Use that. I'm gonna say, I believe it's gonna be on this. Do I have a search? We don't need
There ain't a one seeing me. Watch them do that quiver dance and dip. Once they seem happy, X-scissor everyone alive. I won't leave any.
So then what we're going to do is on
thinking you could fuck with me. The prince bitch, your best be queen now dethroned her, running over all of her pawns with a steamroller.
oh, that's right. Oh wait, no. So
Get out my bed, stop bugging me. Catch a fire blast, bitch.
What?
You bugging me. Get it? Super effective.
So my favorites is gonna basically be like this, except we do this. Which I think we just do this, and then here we'll set that like that, and then I would just put 6 here. I don't know. Hold on. This isn't correct. So PHP back. Okay, PHP. Get favorite. I have a feeling that this won't work, but we shall see. Well, this works, sort of. Undefined my favorites. which I think would be this. So if I say count of this less than 1.
We swimming in bitches, getting at me out. You already know what that means.
So get favorites. Which this is gonna be like this. I guess it's gonna be oh. This is all kind of messed up here. Why is it? So this did. I see that doesn't make sense. This has to be
Cypher over, of course you niggas ain't had enough. I'm honing edges, I never miss, my calls are tough. I splatter a tatter, you rats getting fatter. A nigga got the juice, never see me more shatter. I pop up real quick, I'm like a spectral thief. Switching like Nintendo.
See, I don't know how.
I'm a vet, some like to go, can't hear competition. I'm chopping on the throats, niggas wanna be irrelevant. Ghost like Trevor near rude of the brown, see through transparent.
Should this have been?
I'm in love with the code.
Oh, I see. Okay.
When I'm still up in it, I get my money rapid, clear the haters, I'ma spin it like B-E-A-T-D-O dub and get 'em. Okay, show for the beat down. Tell your girl she ain't ready for the meat down. She got a scary
okay, I see.
speed down. Still had a cookie
And then
bullet C down. We run this shit, we don't pretend to. Know they carry long arms, me and Foo. Show brothers together, me and infiltrated the song, let me in Foo. Don't get it twisted, outside of this, I'm a thug. Always got ice on my neck, I'm a lug. Ice punch to your freeze, make your heart stop. Get the whip, ride on you niggas like I'm Park Rock. She get drain these nuts, it won't spit out. Every time I hashtag getting them guts, I burned up and get the heat cause I'm so hyped. Then I burned up, Ray Shermer got no time.
Camille got hella views.
In case you ain't catch it, your rhymes are just hollow. Remixing these squids cause you Mars are so mallow. Been in threat with the mean look. Trainers asking me what I mean, look. These rappers stay shook when I'm quaking the earth. You ain't big, you just fluffy. This plus gon' get murked. I'm in tune with the bad guys. Soundproof in the booth, that's a down wide.
What I'm thinking here instead is, what's that? Instead of this, should just add it to this.
Don't blink, you're in the midst of a legend. The rising thunder straight out of Gen 7.
There we go.
There's nobody's nebby how I'm bagging them up. My heat
And then when we scroll,
can't see me like a slip of mud. Ice trios like a crash of duck. Have a luck, you already a carcass for the man to buzz. I am the sand slash fisher to your magneton. This what happens when the totem calls. Get your rotoms on, cause we the new photo spot. Rock and roll about a Jodo looking ho hot. Squad of shark looking mofos like a mo claws.
So it's on this scroll, not so much this scroll. So let's do. Let's do that.
You release, you did not say the game. Ain't gotta say it, they all know the name. Gone for a minute, but a nigga never lost hype. Went ghost, nigga try to hit me, need the foresight. Pussy right beside me, Giovanni, I'm the boss type. Everything that hit me with is feeling like a false life. I'm just getting better while you die, call it leash life. Not a double battle, but I'm still up in the spotlight. 18, nigga, I'm a scholar, try to sound bite. Young fly, nigga, give a fuck about a ground type, nigga. Man, this shit's too easy. Man, this shit's too easy. And I keep my niggas with me like a Z.
Yeah, see, that's the issue with the load. It's gonna keep trying to call it, but it's like, it's not bad. But if I close this and open it, okay, so that's dumb. Oh, I need to. I need to take out my favorites off this damn. Yeah, I need to take this off. That shit's supposed to be been gone. There we go. Use that. And the scroll load is supposed to be. I'm not gonna do it on this because this doesn't have much data to really show to showcase. I think.
Hola, it's your boy Joker and I'm in a low. Got the chronic from Koga, then hit up Gardenia to come through and roll up. On that pokey organic. Getting stoned like Roxanne's. Bitch, I'm rock rough. I got a keen eye, and I might hit you with 2 cannons. Man, they must have thought I retired.
I gotta figure out this export thing here. I gotta figure that out. Yeah, I need to take this limit off. It's gonna be large, but whatever. Yeah, I don't know why this page always takes forever to make. Yeah, look, so there's this. And then since I've taken that, look at this. 723. It's, what was this? Roughly 20 days later. 964, 970, so 6 billion views. Or no, this is like 965. So 5 billion views, which is crazy. I want to, ooh, that's, okay, that was weird. I want the user to be able to highlight, like click down and select, and then see the aggregate total. I think that could be feasible. Something about this stuff. Oh, I think because these are centered, right? Yeah, this text line is centered, which makes it look weird, but for this one, I'm gonna say inherent, because it's a lot easier. Alright, so it's on this stuff here.
No clef, man, why he's so fresh. Close from Millie City, Pokey Baldas on a Rolex. Travel to a Lola, clear the dome, take a dope jet, send her flow X. Now she hitting me for phone sex.
Where's the... Oh, here, load record data. So we basically already have this done, sort of, but not exactly. So we gotta add this here. Here. That's so we add it here, and then more. Oh wait, and then this I should probably change to 50. And then on this page, let me change this back to 10. And then on scroll, here, like, when I click this, we're scrolling on this table of response. So on
Cause we Disney here, pulling fire out my ass like a semi-seer. Yeah, I ain't even really trying like experience share. It's too easy. GE's a different tier. I'm at the top, you at the bottom, rocking with it. Gollum roster been a problem. Fresh cuts like my barber bank. Katana hotter than a ground. I'm drowning in the lava spouting out the mountain shining. You don't like the body, Uncle Mala, y'all suck. All these dudes are getting slapped.
The fuck do I know?
Chewing on the track, so chill. Someone tell this loose of me, relax. I go Lily on the beat when I put it in a
load record data. So here, we'll say audio equals record and then on here, we'll say this, and then what we want to do here is load record data. We set it to 50. So then what we want to do here, I don't know how I have this set here. Oh, I got the oh, I gotta do the limit thing. Purple in my hand, open up my pineal gland like a run group. Written on my enemies' moves, bitch, I'm son too. I come through, passing me anything, I never fumble. Anything can happen, finger wagging like my tumble. Underneath the moonlight, hit the moonwalk with the move right. I might drop something you can bum to. Hold up. Yeah, that way. Turn your gym into an ashtray. Yeah, that way. Volcanic flow, I mean, I'm that's blame. Yeah, that way. Nosier than Provo past face. Yeah, that way. Chain frozen, a lowland sand slash way. Got some big dreams, bitches better wish me well. They give me mouth on sight, James Victory Bell. Do it out despite your feelings. I should have
the spitting strength, I'm a slave that's been around. Kill all these haters, do damage. Clipping your wings with two cannons, leave you.
Alright, it's okay. I could just do this. So this time. I go here, and what I need to do up here is we need to add this. So we're going to say start equals post start something like that. Right? How did I start and then limit. Start to limit to. Which, let me see, limit to, start to, which I kind of don't understand why I have like this, but hell, the hell with it. Alright, and so what we want to do is we're going to add it here. And then what's this top one? And because this one's like 500 lines long.
Hey, yeah, fucking around with my name, you get dropped like a habit. Turn me to a savage, I keep me a ratchet. You play me, put holes in your chest, now you read it. I'm like an addict, I'm rolling with savage.
Alright, so let's do that, and then alright, that should be it. Undefined array key, limit to. Okay. Oh, because of this. Click value stack. So we gotta do this here. And then we're gonna say 0 and then 50. There we go. Wait, total songs 50. No. Well, if I scroll.
Hey, look. Yeah. 30 on my hip. I got shooters, you will not be missed. I just seen your chick and her booty looking kinda
Data value. So if I
tell my
scroll.
niggas run a train. Her back to where she came and I'ma act like I don't know the bitch. Scoping out of my city. Ay, bad bitch with big titties. Ay, ask her ass if she with it. Then get all up in her kidneys. Ay,
Oh wait, table responsive doesn't have the ID.
if you niggas ain't talking money, I'ma just keep minding my business. I got a money stack in my vision. I got 100 packs in my kitchen. Using that weight on every occasion. 16 hours I'm
Where did I add this ID?
every cent I need, every dollar. Born crying, I've been a
You
baller.
have
Pay your
it. Did it wrong.
we gon' pay your ass a visit.
Don't go
Run
wrong.
up on your mama with the 30 shot extension, nigga. I do what I want, cause all my goons gon' go to prison, nigga. All these bands I got up in my true religion's getting to the
Artist videos over 1 billion.
I wanna be filthy rich. Uzi with extendo clips. You don't get the picture, we gon'
I don't know which. I don't know about that one.
It don't make no difference. Anyone can get it by the
We'll have to do a control.
heavy in this bitch, you niggas lighter than a cigarette. Sicker than a bitch, it's gonna be hard to find one iller than.
Let me tell him. Call your boy Peter Parker upside down, drinking liquor. I'm a king on the web. Mary Jane in my swisher. You ain't think for yourself, you'll be asking to catch. So many diamonds to count on my watch. I see a smile, I'm slapping it up. All of y'all stop and we smacking the press. I got the bulletproof strap to my chest. I'll be the leader, you average at best. Look, you go get the gal if you snitching. In fact, man, I got the grip packed and the whips in the back. Then we got that how we go leave you for dead and we ain't coming back. Sayonara, get out of my space. Give you the boot to the face. That be a super kick. Homie, this blunt here is super kick. Patchy has tray and a Gatorade. I'ma go give me
Okay,
some food and
so
shit.
how
Suck my dick
I
when I'm
think
food and shit. Get the fuck out of my face. Get the fuck out of my face.
what I think I gotta do is I think
Sit down with my team. Hella money in my jeans. Booty busting out the seams. Like a dick up in a spleen. Said she like me for the dough. I only like it for the blow.
record data continue. Isn't it lower artist stats?
Kelly sweat bitches love me. Taking break you for crummy. Say I'm looking like Buddha. Cause a bitch tryna rub me. Hold on, let me get that back. Hey, get these niggas. Yeah, I'm looking like Buddha. Disturbing the peace. Now I'm feeling like Luda. That pussy I'm moist and I dive in no scuba. I'm shooting on soldiers. My ski be some troopers. You talking that shit. You got
Let me
bitches.
tell. Let me tell. Let me tell.
Ain't no one taking my crown. Look at me, fuck with me now. Your baby, she eyeing me down. Please, you not keep up around. She better not make an advance. Or she gon' be switching the plans. I gave all you niggas a chance. But fucking you catching these hands. Bow, bow. Two to your face felt like you got hit by a car. Bow, bow. From two of my niggas, I bet now you know who we are. Bow, bow. From two of your homies to let the squad know where you are. Bow, bow. Two from my Glock, now you just seen a shooting star.
I hate all you niggas, so you know that I don't give a fuck. And my clip extends. Let's just say my dick is big enough. I can take the money
No, there's only
today and rip it up just to make it back.
so this scroll
Niggas asking
is on this.
from Texas, nigga, what it do? Real recognize real shit.
So then when we scroll,
Warriors in my disposal when I
it should have been calling
don't know who I wanna shoot. Bow. Bitch, get up off my fucking
this,
I got
but I don't.
taken to the fucking grave. When I started, all you did was throw that fucking shade. Now you say I'm lucky, bitch. I'm working like a fucking slave. All about a
Data
fucking
down here,
pistol to your
SQL.
fucking neck. Your girl say she know me, well I don't know where the fuck we met. Know you, bitch. And I'm higher than my fucking debt. Fuck with me. You can
Undefined
get
key
smoke.
data
That's a
back.
cigarette. Wait, get smoked. That's a cigarette. I get all these bitches wet. All these bitches get me back. If these niggas fucking with me now, I can make them die. Bitch, I'm so the truth. I can make them lie. 6 feet deep in the ground, I can make them lie. They don't need no new Jordan shoes. I'm gonna make them fly. Bitch.
Alright, and then I just do this, and then here. But I have a feeling that this doesn't activate, so what I'm gonna have to do is this. Alright, but in terms of, like, loading, instead of +6, let's do, like, +15 or something. Much easier. But then when it comes to total songs, you know what's crazy? This should probably not be here. I'm thinking that whatever. Oh, I see why. Alright, so I see why, but it's kind of stupid. But let me just do without the limit here. All this SPE all the way through. And then in terms of this result though, that's how we're doing our while loop. So this billion isn't used for anything else except this. So we'll do that, but now we got just obviously this all the way through without the limit.
I just got nothing better to do. Came up from time spent in making some irregular moves, so I just needed something else to get my motherfucking energy too. But check, the same niggas I eat with, I kill with. The last of the real, I ain't expecting y'all to feel. I got some shit I gotta deal with.
I thought I had.
But whoever put you on, I hit the kill switch. But real shit, I feel like a man amongst children. A Kryptonian against an army of civilians. My circle of success is strictly niggas that I chill with. We plotting on the game and it's motherfucking brilliant. You out of the loop, grew up in drought, famine, poverty too. Could give a fuck about y'all, they'll never arm me to shoot. Cause when I needed y'all, you left me with the obvious truth. Now it's just me, myself, and God in a pocket of loot. The beat you rockin' it too. Go ahead and thank karma for that. I got it all, but I started from scratch. The new show you left before you bitches got all attached. I just tell them 2000 Toronto Raptors, Vince Carter is back. What's up? Boy, I'm eating on them. Might blow 30 racks for no reason on them. I work hard, now I just
Alright, so let's refresh this. This should be fine now. It should list them all, but we shall see. Yep, it does. Now, one thing I want to do is the home. So if I hit scroll, I want to make that static or sticky or whatever. Yeah, it's not that bad. Hey, not that bad. Ben's truck, Lil Peep. I like stuff like this. I need to go through, figure out. 50 million views.
I just do my job, I get to work it. Yeah, put you in a box if you a burden. Yeah, niggas want my spot, but you ain't earn it. Yeah, pull off in that
I could add a search. What the fuck happened to my, hello? What happened to it? Sticky. Wait, what the fuck? How did it? Huh? Oh, you know why? It's because it's because of this. It's because of this. I append the data here instead of appending it. So I gotta append it here and empty that. And then instead of HTML, I'm gonna like it here. And then I believe hi hacker. Bro, I'm not even a hacker, but alright. And if I switch to this table, oh, but it resets the load.
What? I thought I was joking? I'm throwing honeys in here like I'm Matt George.
Well, maybe I do need to do that.
It's like the game. We back at it again. Let's get it. Cypher warm up. Been a minute since 2013. Wow. Next 10 bars. Everybody heard ye. Now leaving yo with black guys, bloody shirts, teeth. Shuffle set them up. Now their brother gon' beat. That's what had y'all doing backflips. Fact
No, it still resets to the top, which I can understand could be annoying. We want to append. Why even need to do this? The fuck? Oh.
Boy, I'm going off my energy. Your whole squad
If we wanna.
you ain't got no synergy. Mention me, you see my pockets fatter than a blissy bee. Give you boys the deuce, then I'm headed off the victory. I squad head, y'all doing backflips. Madness, crazy on the B-boy, I go bad shit. Catnip, Persian pussy on me like
Oh, I see. We want to append the data, but the data is a table. And this is a whole. This is a whole ass table. That's what this is. So we need to actually do. And actually, I don't know if I need to. What doesn't make sense to me. So if we do. These two tables are completely different. Which.
I'm your full axis. We don't fuck around, meet the captain. It's me against the world, and you ain't even on my atlas. I'm really starting to question if I'm even from this planet. And y'all ain't who you say you are. You nothing but some catfish. It's madness. You real rap, you better than my practice. Already world.
What we need to do is this. We need to get rid of this here from this being different, because there's really no point on this being different here. Because it's really just gonna be this.
It feels like we've been here before. I'm living good, I can't complain, right? On my bad days turn into a great life. A tall nigga and my money is the same height. Got my whole crew eating like a great white. Boy, don't you ever get it twisted. I worked hard for this shit. So many sleepless nights, I never thought of calling it quits. And these materialistic girls, they be all on my dick. You weren't there from the beginning, don't you call me?
And here we can get rid of this. Then we can get rid of this here. This whole thing down here is gonna be taken out. Because record data 2 is gonna be different, so
feels like we've been here before. Yeah, we've been here before. Yeah, we've been here before.
so this on click is get drop down there.
Feels like we've been here before.
If click value equals else. And then we want to throw this in there. And then what we want to do is just take that out. This is going to be load record data to there.
Hey man, it's that 2013 Shofu and Young Bass shit, man. We ignorant.
We
Even though
ignorant.
it's 2016, you know? IDM, we still up in this motherfucker.
Let me refresh this just to make sure it works.
Motherfucker. You already know Shofu in this motherfucker. And we skiing on all y'all like We flexing on all y'all, man. Shofu, how are we flexing, dog? We flexing? CT Rex attract so how make you drop your jaw just like Tarantrum. Crunch your arm,
How do I fix these icons? I thought these are all fixed.
Like a barbarical, I'm just too handsome. Yeah, I'm a handful, straight out of Canton. I be your anthem, this is the anthem. Throw your banter, I just dismantle all of your chances.
Load stat
from my nuts like a lamp, huh? Live with the shit like a chandelier. Running through your six like Canada. Lanes with the standard Sanders fam is all trying to burn.
I know these. I know these are supposed to be 25, and then this should be. Hold up, wait, hold up. That's better. Now, something here doesn't. There's a space here. I don't think. There we go. Wait, no, it does it here also.
Who the fuck is that bitch? I'm the king up in my city. Just carry crossing now, nobody fucking with me. Pussy ass niggas out here looking like a skitty. Used to feel so
Why is there some weird spacing? Yeah, look.
I ain't going nowhere. I got suction cups. Used to put these niggas in the ground with the mud shots, but now I put them in the sky with the uppercuts. Sacred fire in the booth. You a liar, I'm the truth. Right, you light a nigga up. Got me feeling like I'm toast. Harden on my body. If you bite and lose a tooth, all these fucking guard boulders. Who you trying to pollute? Anyone can get it. This ain't version exclusive. Crit game stupid. Nigga, I abuse it. The champion of music. Got these badges, I can prove it. On Explode, I got acoustics.
Hold up, wait, hold up. That's on you, trainers, but train. Hold up, wait, hold up.
Bring that bike out, gold on my spokes, get it done. I don't fuck the slow post, flow, venom, toxic, croak, 6-0. Now I'm feeling like, oh, my flow's so good, it's scary. You niggas just some fairies. Hit you one time and you gon' be needing some citrus berries. Hold up, wait, hold up. Flex on you, trainers, my champ. Hold up, wait, hold up. Flex on you, trainers, my champ.
There we go. So if I click on it though, it would work. Hold up. Flex on you, trainers, my champ. Hold up, wait, hold up. What the fuck happened to this picture?
Flex on you, trainers, my champ. I ball on you, hoes like the rat. I ball at these haters, they don't understand. I don't get it. Hold up, wait, hold up. Flex on you, trainers, my champ.
Flex on you, trainers, my champ. Hold up, wait, hold up. Flex on you, trainers, my champ. Alright, so if I do this, then I do this.
It's Archer, man, and
Alright, so and then there's this I gotta fix, which now I can do because I can append the data. So
We don't fuck around, you're intimidated, masquerading, you're seriously bugging out. You really think you playing him? Now I can get these string shots after I let your lady in, we taking shots. Two at a time, that's twin needle, flow pencil grip tight, big beetles, my horns mega, your shit's weedle. I told y'all you ain't on the shit I'm on. You look at me,
then show who's about to go
better find
wrong.
it enormous, fortified fortress when you see the pin missiles drawn.
Sweet coon 6 with the scariest.
How long have I been live for?
Times I done froze ya. Area dose, don't play with me.
Should be like an hour.
Artist scissors when it comes to rap spit.
Yeah, about an hour.
Enough material
Alright,
to spit like a fly shit. Y'all can rock, bitch.
so now one of the things I need to do here is this on the table. So
My fortress, I'm ill and my beauty's fly and she'll be drilled.
close
That's the
that.
poison sting of suicide.
Close that. Close that. What I need to do here is take this first part, which how do
No Durant, I'm killing this ish. It shows for the shit, nigga. Ask your mother. Looking at my password, I got better over time like Fury Cutter. Bitch.
The coldest folder of rappers known to withhold the holster. Before I let that hot shit fly like Volcarona, that'll split your dome.
I don't know how I'm gonna.
Snapping, son, shocking on the web like a motherfucking Gavantula. Armor hard as show me that I'm swinging a sword that'll shed into your body and leave your skin on the floor. Ripping Jenna 6 cannon when it blasts the world heard it.
Because
Got you changing colors like worm
I win silver, my lens tinted, no venom off. I'm spitting sludge bombs so much you can't even get the venom off. Man,
I'm gonna have
I'm
to.
doing me, and affected by a little chit chatter. I really don't care a blast enough to make you bug
See, I'm a physical description of a pincer's guillotine, leeching life from these rappers. There ain't a one seeing me. Watch them do that quiver dance and dip. Once they seem happy, X-scissor everyone alive. I won't leave any.
Man, someone tell these rookies cause it really ain't knowing. Someone tell these pussy ass trainers I kick gas. It ain't nothing for me to leave tails glowing. Man, fuck Bugsy. Me and shit.
Alright, I deadass have to do this then.
Real talk, nigga, case closed. It's a rap, that's Paris backwards.
Show food and six, stacking bread and getting butter free. Better make
Because it right now it doesn't make sense here. So let me just
bitch, your best be queen.
pretty much
Now
put
deep
this
roller
over.
running over.
What I have to do here is take
Steamroller.
this
That's
out,
easy, why you bugging me? We stay
take this
flyer
out.
than a butterfree. Get out my bed,
I can
stop bugging me. Catch a
and then what I need to do here on the scroll of this, we're gonna have, so I'm gonna have to take this out and go back to oh. We're gonna have to take this, move it to this page, because instead of load record data append data.
I was trying to rest, y'all woke me from my fucking slumber. Thanks to team
Needed
up,
to.
all your days are fucking numbered. About to cause a hurricane, make it rain when I rage.
Because what we need to do here
40 nights and 40 days. The primordial seat is what you get when you all started fucking with me. My primal instinct is to kill everything that I see. If I'm the drown out,
load record data. So this is fine here. What we then need to do here is this. This doesn't need to be here. We don't need this here. We need this. We need to do that there. Loading record data. I need to do this here. Now in terms of this, don't need this.
It would still be a sunny day in hell or in here. What the fuck is all this bickering? You niggas is always getting back into it. Sitting here as I reminisce only of your belittling your lies, but at my fingertips ain't no room to plead ignorant. I was trying to shut the fuck up, bitch.
I don't get it.
This is finishing. Arrogance you're exhibiting, only being propelled by the hatred that you've been riddled with. You don't know what you doing. My power always been hidden. I'm bringing this to an end. It's the final time that I'm visiting. You monstrosities filled with animosity. Say you fire, but you couldn't possibly burn as hot as me. And you can make the rain pour, but what's that to a brainstorm? The cage door you out for some lives. Don't make me take yours. Lose it. Please don't make me split somebody to prove it. You making your presence known. You just easy tickets for humans. You niggas so irresponsible. How could you be so stupid, bitch? I have been this annoying since them niggas banned me from Ubers. I'm ready to give my judgment. Both of you will be punished. Never will you forget that you're really meant to be puppets. I'm running. You motherfuckers just make me sick to my stomach. You will always rue the day that my power had to be summoned, bitch.
And we don't need this. Keep that there. And then here we scroll on this, but we're loading on this here.
Niggas really think they can do what we do. But they ain't put up the shots that we put up. Look, I'm no magician of the coalition. Ever since tuition, money.
Now I think it's going to append the previous ones also. So we're gonna have to fix that.
He ain't paying his tab, he got a bad addiction. We gon' send him to God, we heard his daddy miss him. Naruto a nigga run up. We got shooters on your ass in case a nigga fuck up. You don't wanna see the shit that's coming out of the drum. When it's about the money, there is no enough is enough. Stop playing with me, try to tell these niggas we don't fuck around. No, the chip on my shoulder when
So we don't need
the clip a bag of lifesavers, that's 100 rounds. We gon' see if niggas talking crazy when I come around. Hey, yeah, bring me to the spot where he laying at. Lay him flat, red dot, spray the gat. Line of shots is
don't
gonna
think we
get
need to.
detached. Said your life is for the taking and we claiming that, bitch. You can get
Let me just see how this works. I don't think this will work well though.
Tried it. Doc said that you would make it, but he lying. Mama was just fine and now she crying. She gotta hold your body in her hand. I just got a new chop, call it Promise Neverland.
And to make it simple, let me just do this.
Because when I roll up, everybody
Because
gets
this shouldn't take forever otherwise.
But when you see us on the cameras, that was not us. We was masked up quick with them Glocks up. All these niggas want a cap, make them lock up. Niggas scared, see the fear when
Well, I mean, technically this is
Wanna say
done.
fuck niggas I do not trust. No, niggas get off the internet and they not tough. That's why they wanted murder music and they got
Hey, yeah, bring me to the spot where he laying
Yeah,
at.
so it didn't
Red dot where I'm aiming at. Spray the gat.
do
Line of
too
shots
bad.
gotta get detached. Said your life is for the taking and we claiming that. Yeah, bring me to the spot where he laying at. Lay him flat. Red dot where I'm aiming at. Spray the gat. Line of shots has got a gauge attached. Said your life is for the taking and we claiming that, bitch.
Okay. So it did it without any of the styling. How did it do this?
Pokemon Cypher 2012. WDFA FDNX. I was just playing last year. Hey, Wishbone, I heard what you said, nigga.
Oh.
Pokemon virus. Just think about it. Words leave you coughing, flow leave you wheezing, sneezing. That just proves I'm colder than a sneasel. Pass me a razor claw and I turn into a weevil. Oops, I meant to weavile. No, this ain't a freestyle. Razor special defense, amnesia you see now. Meanwhile,
Somewhat.
baby, I'm
Okay. See, it's not bad, except there's no fucking style.
If you can't keep up with me, you better use agility. Just know I'm warning you, Obama's knows ability. Gotta use ingrain, add to my stability.
Okay, look at this. So
My rival just came around the corner. What the fuck is up? He attacks, I attack first. That's a sucker punch. Ain't no way to ruin this.
it didn't.
I am hard body. You are just
This scroll is on the wrong element. Record data container is the scroll.
Yeah. Shout out DJ Sonic Freak. Said I'm great with the balls. Hands on deck, I'm A with a palm. Black version, bitch, I'm A with a con. TM64, I'm A with a palm. You gay with a palm. OSAM, A with a palm. I'm A with a cog. Much like that's the cake that I'm on trophy is. I'm a date with a palm. You play with a charm. It's easy for me to blast ya. I fire blaster than Asher. I'm faster. I'm a ninja. I'm speed boosting right past ya. I have my Pikachu flash it and Thunderbolt quick attack it. Bitch, I'm a Pokemon master. It's nothing for me to catch it. Plus 6 vocal on a bitch. You can't do a thing about it if you have.
Yeah, but this scroll.
Pokemon master when it come to these raps. And you look a little purple when it come to these rats. Body bad kids, it's evident my opponents need practice. I smash kids 6-0, they don't know what chance is. You don't know who shuffle with, then you don't know what rap
I turn my head backwards, I'm gone. It's still too easy, man. WDFA.
So it's definitely this, but it's the table that should have to overflow.
Oh, wait. Is it new Pokemon cycle? You already know. Okay. Yeah. Let's get it. We don't catch shit, bitch. Yeah, we fucking sav. You lose your safe file. All the teams, it's up for grabs. We don't battle the gym. We walk in and take the badge. You are light years from my level. Damn, that's fucking sad. My swag is like mine. You will get smashed with my eyes closed. Whole body, motherfucking head, shoulder, knees, and toes. Back to the point. Let's race spark up the joint. I'm hungry for the wins. Greedy like a spoink. I'm soaking up the game. Call me the illest.
Yeah, it is wrong.
I'm rage with the
But then on
but no double EVs. Got your girl down on her knees. She suck me like a leech and stockpile my seed. She give me brain and make it rain. Damn, she's so retarded. Cause her brain is dumber than Mr. Mind.
Style is
She gets pissed and
over
around my niggas
low.
fucking lost it. Then I drag into her ass. Kept her running like a false to school.
So that way it should be. I still don't know why the CSS styling doesn't get attached for the table. I feel like it's missing.
Predictions on the thousand, so I'm fire blast that dumb hoe. You switched in, I switched out. Mark punch you in the mouth. Tried to get momentum, too much pressure, so you blacked out. You a geek, you a nerd, real pokey freak. I'm too fast, you can't see me like horses' feet. Oops, better catch up. But bullets, now you wet up. On the grind every day, cause you gotta get your level up. I want my scrappy swag. I'm a scrappy kid. Do the dragon dance like my scrappy kid. Now here comes a +6. Perfect coverage got you stuck, bitch. Yeah, you still some fucking mudkips. Destruction. It's over. I mean, I guess you can try to do more, but you know what I mean? Like, what's really the point? Like,
Record damage.
real talk. It's too easy.
It's too easy. Yeah, look, so I barely scroll and it fucks it up. Maybe this time. Hashtag bullet bill.
We swimming in bitches, getting at me out. You already know what that means.
Bitch, god damn. God damn. Oh, just alright, hold on. Oh, you see that? Alright, hold on. Let me check something real quick.
We about to step into Viridian Forest. There's all kind of bug types out here.
dark magician in this bitch.
I got 'em. We flipping mad bug types, bug bite, bringing back the pain. We don't fuck around, you're intimidated, masquerading. You're seriously bugging out. You really think you playing him? Nah, I can get these string shots after I let your lady in. We taking shots. Two at a time, that's twin needle. Flow pincer grip type, big beetles. My horn's mega, your shit's weedle. I told y'all you ain't on the shit.
Alright.
You looking mad feminine, Vivillon. Better find an enormous fortified fortress when you see the pin missiles drawn.
Sweet coon 6 with the scariest flow. How
Fucking
many
strangers.
times I done froze ya? Area dose, don't play with me, bro.
Alright.
I'm hard as scissors when it comes to rap, spitting smooth as silk. I know
This
it's
dot
serious,
offset.
spin a random fly shit. Y'all can rock, bitch. When I set it off, y'all sappy ass niggas get eaten like I'm Heracross. Step off of my fortress. I'm ill and my beauty's fly, and she'll be drilled. That's the poison sting of suicide.
First three letters of old beat's wife's name. Shout out my nigga Hayden. I'm coming with a pincer vice gang. You fuck with me, get your dick pissed. You a cricket tune, you just a big bitch. I'm a shuckle all in that sandstorm. I'm hard body taking big hits. I make big hits. You just invented that. I pass the order. Lieutenant, I crush teams, leave all the trainers balling. No Durant, I'm killing this ish. It's show for the shit, nigga. Ask your mother. Looking at my password, I got better.
Alright,
Over time,
so
like Fury
this
Killer.
minus this minus this, which this offset doesn't.
Armor hard as show me that I'm swinging a sword that'll shit into your body and leave your skin on the floor. Ripping Gen 6 cannon when it blasts the world, heard it fam. Got you changing colors like Wormadam. Damn.
Dark lit, my wind silver, my lens tinted, no venom off. I'm spitting
So
slow.
926,
You get the venom off, man, fuck a hater,
which
I'm doing me.
doesn't make sense because
I really don't care a blast enough to make you bug
See, I'm a physical description of a pincer's
we should be doing
life from these rappers. There ain't no one seeing me. Watch them do that quiver dance and dip. Once they seem happy, X-scissor everyone alive. I won't leave Vanny.
show. Man, someone tell these rookies cause they really ain't knowing. Someone tell these pussy ass trainers I kick gas. It ain't nothing for me to leave tails glowing. Man, fuck Bugsy, me and Chizzy. We the brand new bug masters. Real talk, nigga, case closed. It's a rap, that's Paris backwards.
Show food and 6 stacking bread and getting butter free. Better make a U-turn. Thinking you could fuck with me? The prince, bitch, your Vespi queen. Now dethrone her running over.
I think we should do this. Offset off.
Stay flyer than a butterfree. Get out my bed, stop bugging me. Catch a fire blast, bitch. Bugging me. Get it?
No, still 852. With the offset top of
Like the Nazi zombies run at the hedgehog top speed. I with flames on double of dragons. Your bitch give me weapons, but she can't from my package. Basket is a napkin. I'm still what you lacking. Playing my cards right like Gambit. That's it. One hit, your man's gone. I belong on Marvel versus Capcom. I'm on some shit when I dispatch words. It's to make a bitch nigga spin dash. I run shit like Shadow. Leave you niggas in my shadow. Put on my knuckles on your tails, but I run like Sonic from this battle. See, this shit here ain't no rules. Niggas not watching all my moves. Cause I will crack your egg, man. Don't get it confused. I bring chaos when I'm on.
Burger patty and token black. Hey, this shit on? WDFA, bitch ass nigga. I forget. I don't fuck with you lame. I done bossed up, niggas throw dirt on my name till I pop up. Token pull up with a stick and a mop up. I'm not your doctor, I'm letting these shots bust. Haji don't play how these niggas get chopped up. Fuck with the gang, you get turned into sawdust. Red light, stop sign, can't no one stop us. Fucking that bitch and her mouth till her jaw bust. Bitch, I been in the game. This shit in my veins. I shoot from the logo like dang. Before with my cut, now my sprite look like pain. I chill with my niggas, we smoking on.
But if we said we made this
It'll leave you in space, now you orbital. You get hit through the wall like a glory hole. He got caught by himself like a story mode. I be stunning these niggas
that doesn't.
Yeah, you bought it, but you can't afford it though. I be making these niggas look horrible. I be making them niggas look stupid. You cannot fuck with my unit. My game really moving. Your life, you gon' lose it. I pointed and aiming at you. My team full of animals. We in the zoo.
But then having this overflow here. But every time I scroll down, so
we spinning the block like a dreidel. Y'all niggas can't get a seat at the table. The last nigga tested me, now we disabled. You learn from examples, his actions are fake. All of y'all niggas was capping.
well, I should do it here. I'm appending it to that. But let me append it to this. And then instead of will this still work? I don't know if that will turn out to be a TR or if it'll fuck up. Because if we append it inside the table, that's why I think it's where it's messing up.
Hey.
Still messing up.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Jinx money hit us up, gang in this bitch. Pokemon snow and I forgot my wrist. Magic carp swag how I splash on your bitch. Hit in a lick, yes we hit in a lick. Arcanine make double cup, Jesse Pink.
Like I don't even blink. Hey, slow bro, I don't even think. Hey, fuck with the team and I start taking shots at my nigga. I don't really drink. You can end up dead in a minute. Got a mug all up in it. Cover like ice and wind slow when I'm spitting photos. When I'm sitting my hoes when you winning, I just go when I get it.
I just go when I get it. Been a minute since I spit it. Look just like a dark chop. Slice you the ribbons. Money on Jake and y'all has been finished. Drip soft and goes just like frillish. Yes, I go and kill it. Damn, my bitch.
And then here.
Damn, open up her aura sphere. Then I extra drill it. Damn, double cup on me, I can mix it. Damn, moving real slow so I don't spill it. Damn, a double team on so you can miss it. And my niggas got the pistols on their hip and they gon' make them blam. Brighten your night like a lighthouse.
But the thing is, we don't need to append the data for loaded here.
I got your bitch in my hideout. Diamonds and pearls, nigga, this is my life now. So many bricks, I can build a new White House. Chimo 5, yeah, I shine now. Go my dick, how she right now. She hit my pokey, now up with some sauce, and I told that little bitch.
This is one of the things I need to try. And then there's another thing I need to try.
I'm rocking these chains. 3 cups of moo milk right to the face. Run up, got guns up, we spraying like mace. And we don't fuck with you.
I'll still do that.
She got nothing to say.
But
Like Jesse and James, I get messy with braids, man. I check on the chain, drop the rest on Lil Misty. She busting it open. Hit it so hard that little bitch need a potion. HMOA pockets deep like the ocean. Try catch up the slogan, my cloud use explosion.
but if I did it on
Yeah. Show food. Suicide. Something smooth. Yeah, I said sweet coon 6 and I'm back in my element. I'm surfing through the scene, scalding anyone testing it, get that burn. I don't talk, I hit first like quick love. Feel jet, rip out your shell, nigga withdraw. Back to spaz, sharp as razor shells. Get me a cactus slash. You and your bitch on that shit, I'll laugh you.
conflicted with on how I should do this. I think it's doing it because it's a table. But if I change this to a span, but the difference is it won't have the same spacing as if it were a table. And this won't work. Because the scroll data has to be in here then.
I do this shit so effortless. I'm a for alligator. How I eat you guys for lunch. Really, fire types getting slaughtered. My gun is loaded, no contra. Show food dirty with the flow. My nigga, that's muddy water. You must be out your mind. You think you seeing me? You bring enough gold in, you might just even see me. Recently, I'm fired in the aqueduct. You turned down, we turned up. Spit skulls on anything. Shit's
So it,
next to get burned up. You saying you a star?
but it's because it's.
Let me see you rapid spin, adapt to any beat. I'm like a motherfucking masculine. Ascument, niggas hating on me, fucking let them hate. Treat you like a gastrodon, change colors when I separate. I've been in that water, do my own thing. Renegade, you dudes under my wing, like a man time to avoid raid.
Show who I don't think they ready yet. Listen, squirt, we go to war, I won't blast toys. I'll just get sheer code. Better move fast, boy, it's my seal of approval. Wanna face off? Lucky me, all you'll hear is oh. My reaction stay bubble beat. Get out of line, schmuck, I rile up and grind fucks. After cutting y'all to the half when y'all line up.
Okay.
Cause the bullshit y'all
So I see now
and make me wanna
what's
clap
happening.
5 4s like sawdust. Stay heavy, ask how much I weigh, Lord. Equivalent to Waylord, that's tons on your Game Boy. Kai Ogre, sublime soldier, boy, I'll be damned. I don't make your stomach turn like Polyworld's a poly. You look into my soul sick, I look into your core fish. No shit, you show you're as feminine as Gorvis. Question who's a star? Me. Didn't know you slow, bro. No need for an army.
Like that. But then we wanna.
I spit fire, make it rain, that's a hot storm. Shofu cleaner than a rotom in its wash form. Said I can't do what? There's no way I can do wrong. You haters just can't do. You don't do. You're too gone. People quick to judge, but they really don't know me. Wipe you niggas out, Noah's Ark, HM03. I lights feel, my jumper's on Mars Tom. They know I'm a star, I'm like the forehead of a crawdon. I stick my tongue out like a shoulder when I ride through. I'm just trying to make it to the top like Kabu. Challenge me, you lose and tell the truth, you're not a factor. It's always the same shit, like a Loma Mola backwards. Shofu and Shizzy 6, nobody is stopping us. Bitch, we number one, like the leader of Sutopolis. You curves ain't never flopping us. Magic if you get me though. Leave my mark, it's permanent. I wrote it in Sharpie though.
And we underwater, and we underwater. Niggas acting like they wavy, put 'em underwater. And we underwater, and we underwater. Shoku 6, you can't see us, but we underwater.
Okay, so I. Wait a second. Let me just make sure. No, so, see, it didn't. Like 1,000. Why is it?
Get at me, bitch. Get at me, bitch. Finger on the trigger, and I'm starting to get it. It's ladies throwing pussy at me. Got 100.
I don't know.
But a nigga still rich. Pop a nigga like a zit. If he talking shit, please don't stick.
Because if I did this, where maybe instead of.
And it's bottomless. Team of shooters aiming at your head. I'm Greg Popovich. Gun go up, but you don't know who hit. It's anonymous. Shofu extra heavy in this bitch. Hippopotamus. I be
Instead of TR, I just did this.
I'ma blow up any day, but now I got some time to kill. This is an acquired skill. Run this shit, I'm tired still. Words ain't never worked before. Convince them, bet the iron will. Bend them to my iron will. Never needed any help. Never changing for a bitch. The love will make me lose myself. Chilling with my millions.
And I did it like that.
Shining brighter than my brilliance. I'm out here going.
We're gonna have to fix the spacing somehow. I don't know. Figure it out. But it's the fact that I scroll just a teeny bit, and it's like, hold on, let me check something. I gotta check favorites. So how the fuck did this one? container, load favorites. So we do it on the container, and then load favorites is
Ladies throwing pussy at me about 100 on a pitch. I be spending all my money, but a nigga still rich, yeah. Get at me, bitch. Get at me, bitch. Drama, meet the shotty soccer, you gon' catch the kick. Now that this here making dollars, give a fuck who makes sense. Once you're young and started popping, ballin' ever since. Get at me, bitch. Get at me, bitch. Pair of shoes on me, costing double what you rent. No regrets. Used to give a fuck, gave it up for lit. What you spent just to be where we got invited to sit. Drunk as shit, might go fuck your bitch. Break up a couple quick. Rum and blunts I hit. Got me stumbling, but feel I'm running shit so fucking lit. They talking shit like who the fuck I'm is. Bitches Mac Houston, there will never be no other there. Y'all take bad bitches in two. Mine all come in six, and they suck it dick. Come in quick in case you want.
we should be doing it on the container here. Which is what it originally did. Crazy. But then, did we load it on the container? No, it loaded favorite. Yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Finger on that trigger and I'm trying again, bitch.
Ladies throwing pussy at me about 100 on a pitch. I be spending all my money, but a nigga still rich, yeah. Get at me, bitch. Get at me, bitch. Drama, meet the shotty soccer.
Alright, so why is it doing that? Every time I scroll. Where's the... Is this what you wanted? Oh, wait a sec. Oh, no. Scroll high, scroll top, after top. Okay, yeah, this is correct. So again, for some reason, this here for offset top doesn't make sense. Because how? Unless
see me at New Balances. Outfit fresh, came off of the cool mannequin. We got me stoned, real shit, I can't move after this. Niggas always talk about who asked for this. Y'all niggas talking about the Glocks that you shoot. My shoot too, them niggas foul like that Artemis do. And I be going back in time like the Oculus do. Making money off the strength of Monopoly moves. Who talking to you? I'm chilling trying to mob with the crew. We talking money, why the fuck would we be talking to you? Dog,
1004. 1004, right? What's it say? Why would they make it benefit? But then, 926. It just literally doesn't change.
Grass cut, niggas been serpents, been hurting, never again. I get a clip bursting. Fuck around, I can put you on with the best surgeon. One-on-one with God for your next.
Because this is still 926. So it literally doesn't change. The thing that we're gonna have to do here is take this height off here. And no. Because this. Fuck, man. Fuck.
It's Archer, man, and we about to step into Viridian Forest. There's all kind of bug types out here. I'm too fly for this, might be super effective. Shofu kid, I got him. We flipping mad bug types, bug bite, bringing back the pain. We don't fuck around, you're intimidated.
Alright,
seriously bugging out. You really think you playing him? Not can get these
let me try this. So let me look at how load favorites work. Favorites container, load favorites. Let me look at this. We have the container with this. Like that. And then what we need to do then is we put it on the container, we load on the load. So the record container. Like that. And then I don't think we need that. Taking big hits, I make big hits. You just abandon that. I pass the order, then attack. I crush teams, leave all the trainers balling. No Durant, I'm killing this bitch. It's show for the shit, nigga. Yeah, so even the littlest scroll still fucks it up, which is unfortunate. Is there more than one of these? But I definitely think I know why. My perp lit, my wind silver, my lens tinted, no venom off. I'm spitting sludge bombs so much you can't even get the venom off. Man, fuck a hater, I'm doing me. And affected by a little chit chatter. I really feel like I know why. See, I'm a physical description of a pincer's guillotine, leeching life from these rappers. There ain't a one seeing me. Watch them do that quiver dance and dip. Once they seem happy, X scissor everyone alive. I won't leave any.
Man, someone tell these rookies 'cause it really ain't knowing. Someone tell these pussy ass trainers I can't.
But even on here, we're not doing
Fuck Bugsy, me and Chizzy, we the brand new bug masters. Real talk, nigga, case closed. It's a rap, that's Paris backwards.
a whole lot to cause this.
Better make a U-turn, thinking you could fuck with me. The prince, bitch, your Vespi queen, now dethroned her, running over all of her pawns with a steamroller. It's that easy, why you bugging me? We stay flyer than a butterfree. Get out my bed, stop bugging me. Catch a fire blast, bitch, if you bugging me. Get it? Fire blast, super effective. What's up? Like the Nazi zombies, run at the hedgehog top speed. Aki with flames on double of dragons. Your picture give me weapons, but she can't split my package. Bastard, here's a napkin. I'm master what you lacking. Playing my cards right like Gambit. That's it. One hit, your man's gone. I belong on Marvel versus Capcom. I'm on some shit when I dispatch words. It's to make a bitch nigga spin dash. I run shit like Shadow. Leave you niggas in my shadow. Put my knuckles on your tails, but I run like Sonic from this battle. See, this shit here ain't no rules. Niggas not watching all my moves. Cause I will crack your egg, man. Don't get it confused. I bring chaos when I'm on.
I just do my job, I get to working. Yeah.
Hurt you in the box if you uploaded.
Yeah. Niggas want my spot, but you ain't
Alright.
Yeah. Pull off in that drop, I get to swerving. Yeah. I just do my job, I get to working. Yeah. Put you in a box if you a burden. Yeah. Niggas want my spot, but you ain't earn it. If it ain't about the money, it's the
Issue, I know the issue now. I'm very positive I know the issue. This should not be here. What we should do here is instead of this here, because we're loading on a load, which is not what we should do here. If we do this here, with this get record data, with this here, then I think it'll be fine. Because otherwise, then we're kind of messing things up here. What's up, T-Logic? How you doing? Alright, so thing is, with load record data, we didn't actually do anything. So we gotta do here is like this. Been live for an hour and 39 minutes. Okay. So then what we want to do here is none of this for now. That like that. What's all this? I'm working on a music site. tired. So I think if we put the height on this, record, yeah. Song. Alright, right. This song is Pokemon Diamonds. Or, yeah, Pokemon Diamonds by Shofu. It still does that scroll thing. Let me try. It's supposed to work, but I don't know. If this works, then I'm gonna have to be redoing a ton of stuff. Okay, we're gonna be redoing a ton of stuff here. I think we could. Then
Bitches getting close to me, it's like I'm spelling Pokemon. I get up in them ovaries. I'm just doing this to showboat. I tell them hoes you liking what you see and take a photo. I'm flyer than a ho-oh, so she bouncing like a pogo. Way she giving up her tail, she like a motherfucking slowpoke. Ash hat, double cup of lean, that's the logo. Mighty combination, take a sip, you get an O code. All this gold on me like I'm born and raised in Johto, but they see me in the streets and they just telling me to go, go. I'm the flyest in this bitch, Pokeballin' with a sprain, all this ice up on
yeah, so, alright, so we don't need this. On scroll, we need to do this.
Synchronize the pain that I felt. Now who feeling them? I ain't even warm when I melt. I'm ice grilling them. I don't need a rap for the fear. I'm instilling it. The muck a little low in my cup. I'm refilling it. Drugs are not the answer. Make you cope a little faster. Flying grass, I call it magic. I'm a fucking necromancer. Reading rappers with no manners. My attack is like a dancer. Wallet heavy. Pull my pants and need my M's is for the master. Put your hands up. They don't understand this. I don't have a choice, bitch. I gotta get my bands up. Diamonds on my wrist. My medallion so platinum. Attracted to the metal like a motherfucker.
And then
Cause a nigga so handsome. Shocking on the web, I might just be a galvantula. Nigga, this the anthem. My nature ain't relaxed, how I be spazzing. I'm with my goons, I always been a hoodlum like Callum. Shout out to the boy. Bitch, you fighting with the dragon, I'm resounding the noise. If a nigga wants some beef, I'ma be bouncing with joy. Cause I always keep a nine, that's how I blast with the toys. I swear I be on some other shit. Hating, you can suck a dick. So like I be eating and you like another dish.
And then
You ain't about it, better go and find Jirachi. Cause I go without a
one
plan,
thing I
it's
need
just a
to
wish. It's trap catcher.
see. I should have. Okay, so I should have backed it up to be good. We will have to see. Undefined variable SQL2 line 60. Get record data. Because we don't need this shit.
Hold up. Token black bitch.
Alright, hold on a second.
Hold up.
It's not supposed to do that. Something here. Oh, this scroll, I don't think it's supposed to be here. Because I believe we did the scroll over here, right? Yeah, we did the scroll here. Fine. So now it won't load so many. But I do think. So, Lil Jon, snap your fingers. If I do this. Yeah, it does this here. So what we need to do here is this. So that way it only loads the next one. I knew it was loading too many. Something looked off. Alright, so snap your fingers and find that right there. Limit. $15 to $30. Why does it look like it loaded a lot more than... Zero to 15, 15 to 30. So then why is it loading a lot more than it should be? Hold on a second.
I just do my job, I get to work it. Yeah, put you in a box if you a burden. Yeah, niggas want my spot, but you ain't earn it. Yeah, pull off in that drop, I get to swerving. Yeah, I just do my job, I get to work it. Yeah, put you in a box if you a burden.
Lil Jon,
Niggas want my spot, but you ain't earn it. If it ain't about the money, it's some shit I'm not concerned with. All that talking out your mouth, we need to see you when it's urgent. Chop your stupid ass in half, they told me be the bigger person. You be searching, you be lurking, but my dogs that
I can, hold on. I can figure this out. Zero to 15, 15 to 30. How does that equal 45 though? So what it sounds like is I keep it like this, will it stay the same? And then job I get to work. Put you in the box if you a burden, you a burden. 15. $30. 45. Okay. Alright, but we're doing it in increments of 50. So let's see now. Let's see now.
Golden Rock Station, I'm switching my regions, I'm throwing up money, no gagging and heaving. They say I'm believing the way that I toss it, they couldn't believe it. They know that I got it. I'm toxic, I'm poison, I'm leaving, I'm riding, I'm catching, I'm curving. They all in my pocket, my team on my back.
Now,
Ain't even rocket excited, got me, man, them 808s now. I got
9, 6, 7.
close combat. The day I die is the day that I'm off rap. I don't wear off white, mask in the top hat. This ain't no joke, bitch. I cannot go, bitch. Slash, I hurt throat, then I'm hitting the whoa, bitch. Fuck all these hoes, bitch. Fuck all my foes, bitch. Shout out my woes, bitch.
Alright, I'm honestly surprised we did that for average. Hey. And if I want to divide this up some more, I could. This is for tomorrow. And if I could get that done tomorrow, then that's good.